Welcome to the Edge video tutorial series, Customer Split. Customer Record Split, what it means to you. The Customer Record Split in the Edge version 17.3 means better control over spouse-partner contacts and transaction history. Some things will stay the same. Couple records will still be linked. Both the customer and the spouse or partner will show on each other's customer record. Both the customer and the spouse or partner can be reported together. Both parties in a couple can pay on or pick up a service, no matter which one started it. But now, all of this can happen separately as well. Transactions will be tracked according to the individual who conducted it, but you'll have choices about how that reports out. Also, this addresses issues resulting from the existence of multiple email addresses, phone numbers, and mailing addresses, and identifying which belongs to whom. That means that now you can do marketing, such as sending a text to all females in households who have spent a certain amount, either individually or as a couple. To help you manage that on the fly, we have provided a new button at POS, Contact Methods, which allows you to quickly edit and associate contact methods with the proper customer. Working with contact methods. In the Customer Edit General tab, you can see that there is a new look to the Contact Methods area. Notice that contact methods are now assigned to individuals. Also notice that preferred contact methods are circled in green. You can edit a contact by selecting the edit icon. You can delete unused information by selecting the delete icon. You can add new contact information by selecting an add button. Notice that you are prompted to indicate whether it is the preferred contact method and to whom the contact information belongs. If a phone number is listed on the wrong contact, to move it, double-click or select the edit icon to open the contact method and remove the check for one party and then check the box for the other. You can do all of this from point of sale or the customer record, so we recommend you take advantage of this functionality with every customer visit. For details on working with contact methods, go to the Edge Help System by clicking on the yellow Help button. Working with spouse-partner records. To view the customer record with the spouse partner's data in view, from the Customer Edit General tab, select Switch to Spouse. This option appears at the bottom of every customer record tab. To remove a spouse partner from a couple record, from the Customer Edit General tab, go to the Supervisor menu and select Remove Spouse. The removed party will still retain his or her individual data. It will just not be associated with this record anymore. To attach a different spouse partner to the primary account, remove the existing spouse partner as we just discussed. Go to the drop-down menu on the spouse partner and select Find Another. The Customer Find window will appear so you can locate the desired person. To actually change who is the primary account holder, use Switch to Spouse as we explained, so that the desired party is on the left. Go to the Supervisor menu and select Set as Primary. If that option doesn't exist, it's because the selected party is already primary. We'll talk more about the finer points of primary versus individual accounts later. If you must merge customers for either party on a linked account, you must first separate the couple record using Remove Spouse. Once separated, merge the individual accounts and then link the two remaining customer accounts together using the Spouse Partner drop-down menu. Selecting customer records at point of sale. When the customer comes in, use Find Customer. Notice that now you can choose whether to locate a customer as part of a couple or as an individual. If you bring them up as part of a couple, the records returned will be couple records. The transaction window at POS will show them as a couple with both parties' names. Transactions conducted this way will assign the transaction to the primary account holder and be shown in both parties' activity screen. Using the same find process, if you click Individual Names, the records returned will include matching results at the individual level. In this case, both parties were returned because the last name of Zachary matched both records, even if one was just to include the spouse partner. Here you'll see that if you find the record by individual, transactions will only be assigned to the individual. Working with customer transaction data. When we split the records, any sale made to the primary or couple name on the original account was retained on the primary account. Any sale associated with only the spouse partner was moved to the spouse partner's record. These two accounts are now linked together, and if you go to the Activity tab, you can see transactions for the couple or for either party. On the Balances tab, you'll see the couple's balances are blended. This is also how statements will be generated. For details about this and the impact of customer split on other areas of the customer record, see the tip sheet entitled Customer Split, What It Means to You, found in Edge User. Best Practices for Customer Record Management. Make sure your associates always check for an existing customer record before creating a new one. Make sure your associates always confirm contact information. As we mentioned earlier, you can easily use the Contact Methods button at POS. Learn more about these features in the Customer Split tip sheet found in Edge User, the Edge User Guide, and the Edge Help System accessible from nearly every screen within the Edge. The Edge offers a variety of training opportunities. For more information, go to www.theedgeforjewelers.com/calendar. Thank you for viewing the Customer Split video tutorial. We hope this information was useful. Feel free to contact us at support@ajsllc.com.